Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a giveaway from the Squishy Kiosk store. If you have little kids, you know that squishies are just so popular right now. So there's actually an online store, and that's all they sell are the little squishies, and they have all sorts of types. There's animal ones, food ones. So they sent me a few that are inside this box that I'll show you in just a second. And they're also doing a giveaway, so I'll put all the information below in the description box and put a link so you can enter. Maybe you'll win some. So let's see what's inside. There is a little card in here. Oh, how cute. Looks like you can actually pop them up, so it's like a 3D card. That's neat. Greetings from Squishy Kiosk. We hope you enjoy these squishies as much as we do. Thank you and stay squishy. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So the first one I'm pulling out, this is actually pretty big. It's a penguin. I like that they're individually wrapped as well. Ooh, very soft. Jackson's here with me. He loves squishies. He got a couple for Christmas, so he's super obsessed with them. Let me see.
Squishy penguin.
Yeah, we gotta show them. So it is pretty big. As you can see, it's super soft. Yeah, it's very soft.
Very soft. I know it's soft.
And super squishy. How fun. I love these. So we got that one. We also have, oh cute. It is a animal donut. So it looks like a cat, but it's part donut. And there's actually a little charm holder on it too, so you can clip it to things. That's neat. Super cute. And they don't have much of a smell to them. I don't know if you've ever bought some, like they sell at Target and stuff. Some of them smell really strongly, but these do not at all. Ugh, they're so fun. I love these. And then we also have, I love sushi. I don't know if that's anything I've ever talked about on my channel, but they have little sushi ones. So it's a little sushi California roll. And again, this one does have a chain, so you can attach it to something. How cute is that? It's got a little face on it. Ugh. I should put this one on my purse. What do you think? I love these.
Yeah.
And then inside, stay cute. Your order was packed with love and care by Roy. Oh, that's neat. So every person has their own little card. And then an advertisement for the Japan candy box and the Kawaii box, because this is all from the same company. Cool. I've done giveaways for the Japan candy box and the Kawaii box in the past. Those are really fun. I'll probably put the videos below in case you guys want to see them. Oh, you stacked them? Cool.
Thank you for watching my video.
I will go ahead and put all the information below for the giveaway. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.